What are the Comstock Laws? If you're curious about a piece of history that still influences contemporary debates, you're in the right place. Let's talk about the Comstock Laws, a set of regulations that have been around since the 19th century. The Comstock Laws originated from the Comstock Act of 1873, a federal law signed by President Ulysses Grant on March 3, 1873. This law was championed by Anthony Comstock, a prominent figure in the anti-vice movement of the time. Comstock was determined to rid society of what he considered obscene and immoral materials. So what exactly did the Comstock Act do? It made it illegal to use the U.S. Postal Service to mail any obscene, lewd, or lascivious book, pamphlet, picture, paper, print, as well as any articles designed for the prevention of conception or the procurement of abortion. This included contraceptives, abortion medications, and even personal letters with sexual content. The law was quite broad and also targeted advertisements for these items. For instance, it was illegal to mail any information on how to buy contraception or get an abortion. Even letters with curse words could get you in trouble. The penalties were severe. You could face fines of up to $5,000, which is equivalent to around $130,000 today, and up to 10 years in prison. Comstock's efforts didn't stop at the federal level. In the years following the passage of the Comstock Act, 24 state legislatures enacted their own versions of these laws, often referred to as Little Comstock Laws. Some of these state laws were even more restrictive than the federal law. For example, in Connecticut, it was criminalized to try to prevent pregnancy, even through methods like withdrawal. The impact of these laws was immediate and far-reaching. Medical advice books on anatomy, contraception, and childbirth were forced underground. Publishers avoided including sections on contraception in their books, and health-related publications rejected ads for fear of being arrested. Condoms and diaphragms became harder to find, and abortionist ads disappeared from newspapers. The Comstock Laws also had significant social implications. They were seen as an assault on free speech and personal freedoms. Radical publishers and thinkers opposed the law, arguing it violated the First Amendment. This opposition continued over the years, with notable cases like Griswold v. Connecticut in 1965, where the Supreme Court ruled that the Connecticut Comstock Law violated the right to marital privacy. Today, the Comstock Act remains relevant, particularly in discussions about abortion, birth control, and freedom of speech. It's a reminder of how historical laws can continue to shape contemporary issues and debates. In summary, the Comstock Laws are a set of regulations that banned the mailing of obscene materials, contraceptives, and abortion-related items, and they continue to have an impact on our society today.